Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to withdraw money from Phantom wallet to your bank account. So before starting, just make sure that Phantom support will never DM you or ask you for your secret recovery phrase because this is just an important for the security, so just keep in this mind. So let's start this. Access a cryptocurrency exchange. Choose an exchange that supports Solana or any another token you hold in your Phantom wallet. Popular options include Coinbase, Binance, or Kraken. Transfer token to the exchange. Open your Phantom wallet, right, and select this option you wish to withdraw, for example Solana. Click on send option and enter the receive address from your chosen exchange. You can find this by navigating to the deposit section of the exchange and selecting the appropriate token. Enter the amount you wish to send and confirm the transaction. Once your token are in the exchange, sell them for the stable coin like USDT or directly for fiat currency like USD. Understood? If you sold for stable coin, convert it to the fiat currency on the exchange. Withdraw to your bank account after selling your tokens for fiat currency. Initiate a withdrawal from the exchange to your linked bank account. You will need to provide your bank account details, account number, routing number, etc., and follow any additional verification process. So here I have mentioned each and everything. So right now you can pause this video, you can read it, right? And make sure to like this video, subscribe our channel. Make sure to see you guys in the next video. Subscribe.